so come and visit our state. It sure won't be a mistake. Relax on one of our lakes. Tourists are welcome here. Summer, spring, winter, and fall. Tax-free shopping at each mall. We are the best state of all. Tourists are welcome here. Our beach is golden, casinos rocking, arcade games is playing. Why do we keep procrastinating? Leaves are changing, colors are blazing. Fall in love with New Hampshire, baby. Snow is falling. In the mountains, our trails are open. In New Hampshire, baby.